Discover the 2025 SEO strategy. Hey everyone, your name here. For over a decade, we've heard the phrase, content is king. But in 2025, that might no longer be true. Google's algorithm is evolving, and simply creating great content won't be enough to rank high in search results anymore. Think about it, everyone's pumping out content these days. The internet is saturated, so how do you cut through the noise and reach the top? That's what we're diving into today. In this video, I'll break down why traditional content marketing is losing its power, what's replacing it, and the new SEO strategy you need to dominate Google in 2025. If you want to stay ahead in the SEO game, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's be clear, content still matters, but relying only on content is not enough anymore. Here's why. First, the sheer volume of content online is overwhelming. Everyone's a publisher now, from individuals to massive corporations. This means even the best content can get buried. Second, Google is getting smarter. Its algorithm is increasingly focused on user experience. It's not just about keywords anymore. It's about how long people stay on your page, how they interact with it, and whether they find the information valuable. Third, user behavior is changing. People are bombarded with content from all directions, social media, email, websites, you name it. They're becoming more selective about what they click on and what they engage with. Fourth, simply publishing a blog post and hoping for the best isn't a viable strategy anymore. You need to create content that's not just informative, but also engaging, shareable, and optimized for conversions. Fifth, Google is prioritizing websites that demonstrate expertise, authority, and trustworthiness, EAT. This means your content needs to be well-researched, credible, and backed up by evidence. Sixth, voice search and mobile optimization are becoming increasingly important. Your content needs to be easily accessible and digestible on any device. Seventh, backlinks are still a major ranking factor, but earning high-quality backlinks is getting harder, especially if your content isn't exceptional. Eighth, the rise of video, audio, and interactive content formats means traditional text-based content needs to work harder to stand out. Ninth, Google is constantly updating its algorithms. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. You need to stay informed and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Finally, SEO is no longer a standalone tactic. It needs to be integrated with your overall marketing strategy, including social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. SEO in 2025 isn't about just publishing blogs, it's about creating an ecosystem of authority, experience, and engagement. Here's what that means. First, you need to become a trusted resource in your niche. This means going beyond basic blog posts and creating in-depth guides, case studies, research reports, and other valuable content formats. Second, you need to focus on user experience. Your website should be fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Your content should be well-written, engaging, and visually appealing. Third, you need to build a strong backlink profile. This means earning links from high-authority websites in your industry. Focus on creating high-quality content that others will naturally want to link to. Fourth, you need to optimize your content for voice search. This means using natural language, long-tail keywords, and providing concise, direct answers to common questions. Fifth, you need to leverage social media to amplify your content and build a community around your brand. Engage with your followers, share valuable insights, and encourage them to share your content. Sixth, you need to track your results and make adjustments as needed. Use analytics tools to monitor your website traffic, rankings, and engagement metrics. Identify what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Seventh, you need to stay up to date on the latest SEO trends and algorithm updates. The SEO landscape is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and adapt your strategy as needed. Eighth, you need to be patient and consistent. SEO is a long-term game, and it takes time and effort to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep creating great content, promoting it effectively, and building relationships. Ninth, you need to focus on building a sustainable SEO strategy. This means avoiding short-term tactics that could get you penalized by Google in the long run. Focus on building a strong foundation of high-quality content, backlinks, and user experience. Finally, you need to remember that SEO is just one piece of the puzzle. It's important to have a holistic marketing strategy that includes other channels like social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Chapter 3, SEO in 2025 is about being the best source of information, not just publishing more content. Here's your action plan. First, diversify your content formats. Don't just rely on blog posts. Explore videos, podcasts, infographics, interactive tools, and more to engage your audience in different ways. Second, double down on what's already working. Analyze your website traffic and identify your top-performing content. What's resonating with your audience? Create more of that. Third, optimize for user intent. Think beyond keywords and consider what your target audience is actually searching for. What problems are they trying to solve? What information do they need? Fourth, build a strong internal linking structure. Connect your content pieces strategically to guide users through your website and help search engines understand the context of your pages. Fifth, focus on building a brand, not just traffic. Develop a unique brand voice and personality that resonates with your target audience. Be authentic, transparent, and build genuine relationships with your followers. Sixth, don't be afraid to experiment. The SEO landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to be willing to try new things and see what works. Test different content formats, promotion strategies, and SEO tactics. Seventh, invest in SEO tools and resources. There are many great SEO tools available that can help you research keywords, track your rankings, analyze your competitors, and more. Invest in the tools that will help you work smarter, not harder. Eighth, consider hiring an SEO expert. If you're serious about SEO, it's worth considering hiring an experienced SEO professional who can help you develop and execute a winning strategy. Ninth, be patient and persistent. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep creating great content, promoting it effectively, and building relationships. Finally, never stop learning. The SEO landscape is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and algorithm updates. Read industry blogs, attend conferences, and connect with other SEO professionals. Chapter 4. So, is content dead? Absolutely not, but it's no longer the only thing that matters in SEO. Think of it this way. Content is the foundation. It's what attracts your audience, establishes your expertise, and gives you something to optimize. But to truly succeed in 2025 and beyond, you need to build upon that foundation with a comprehensive SEO strategy. That means focusing on user experience, building authority, earning backlinks, and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape. It's about creating an online presence that's not just visible but valuable. Remember, Google's ultimate goal is to connect users with the most relevant and helpful information. By focusing on creating high-quality content that meets the needs of your target audience and optimizing it for search engines, you can ensure that your website is the one they find. Chapter 5. What do you think? Do you still believe content is king? Drop a comment below. Tell me about your biggest SEO challenges and what strategies you're excited to implement in 2025. Let's keep this conversation going in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more actionable SEO tips and strategies. I'm here to help you navigate the ever-changing world of SEO and achieve your online goals. If you want more SEO strategies for 2025, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm constantly releasing new videos packed with valuable insights and actionable tips to help you stay ahead of the curve. That's it for today. See you in the next video.